is it so hard ba to grow carrots kahit na wala siya sa season? Meaning, do our farmers really do not see an opportunity na since magmamahal na yung carrots at kailangan na natin mag-import,
Oo
baka
eh.
pwedeng tayo na lang
Parang ang
magtanim.
labo, no? Nagka-frost kasi, di ba? Pati.
Partly, that may be the case. The problem kasi sa ating agriculture, ngayon pa lang namin kami nagkakaroon ng kakatapos na nung tinatawag ng command center, and we're collating all the data now. Kasi it has to do with production planning and everything. Ang sistema sa natin ngayon, parang kung anong tingin ng tao, itanim, itatanim. Hindi nila alam yung outlook, no? So we're trying to manage these things, monitoring. Sa ibang parte naman ng Pilipinas, hindi naman issue. We're looking at it in Metro Manila yung issue eh.
Okay.
Yung, kunyari, post-secretary sa Cordillera, alam naman na nagkaka-frost ng ganitong panahon, hindi ba February, ganon, March, early March, pero nagtatanim pa rin sila. Hindi po ba pwedeng iwasan na yon na masasayang lang ang puhunan?
Technically, I think what we're introducing now is basically yung tinatawag namin white revolution, wherein everything, especially high value crops, should be planted in a more or less a
Yes.
controlled
Right.
area, no? Controlled environment, so that no one would have predicted that Baguio would be 7 degrees and nagka-frost ng ganyan kagrabe.
Hindi po every
few
year
days ago.
ganun eh.
Well, to
Every
be
year
fair
na lang
naman.
binabalita natin
No,
yan.
To be fair
not this
ngayon,
year.
Mas
this,
grabe.
Not this
this
year.
week has
Yeah.
been
But-
kind of strange.
I mean, for decades, this has been, why are we not building this, what you call white, ano sir?
yung command center, no?
White,
no?
White revolution. ma'am.
white
Revolution.
revolution, hindi na green. White na.
Kasi yung takip niya white.
Kasi may tarpaulin na.
O so kailan po
Yeah.
yan marirealize?
This year lang namin i-deploy yun actually, and continuously over the next tuloy-tuloy na yun. But yun na nga, unfortunately, the others have not really focused on this. This is actually a rollout natin na hindi ito yung smart na greenhouses. So this is basically basic
Yeah.
climate resilient protection eh. So yun ang
Yes.
kailangan.